Hi everyone, I'm Alexis from the Hawthorne branch. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own board game at home. Let's get started. Alright, these are the materials that you'll need to make your own board game at home. Poster board, you can use gift wrap or parchment paper, different colors of paper like construction paper or post-its, which I will be using, scissors, tape or glue, markers or pens, dice, or you can use the spinner to decide how many turns you go on the board. And then I also used game pieces from other board games that I had. You can even use coins. Now roll out your game board, think about placement. Do you want your game to be something more square like Monopoly, or do you want it to have a lot of movement like Chutes and Ladders? So just think about layout, do you want it really squared and structured or something kind of funky? Now, I did go ahead and make mine, and I made it quite structured. You start over here, and along the way I've got different squares that have different sayings on them. So subtract 5 points from your score, jump ahead 3 spaces, and to make it really interesting, right before the finish tile, I said go back 8 spaces. So you can make it as easy or as difficult as you like, but you want to find some balance so that people don't get discouraged during the gameplay. And I definitely suggest trying out your game on friends and family. You'll get honest feedback. And as far as game squares, I've got questions laid out, and whenever someone lands on a pink square, they get a pink question. So I actually made my game for Parks and Rec, the TV show. I did a trivia game. And what I did was I labeled the squares with numbers, and that way I've got a piece of paper off to the side that has the corresponding answers. So if somebody's questioning whether you guessed the answer correctly, you can confirm that with the cheat sheet off to the side. So those are the tools you'll need, and just have fun with it. When you make your own board game, tag us at Alachua Library using the following hashtag, #SummerWithTheLibrary. Thanks for joining me.